Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Stash Finder on Meteor Client. First, ensure Meteor Client is properly installed and running. Open your in-game client menu, usually by pressing the right Shift key. Navigate to the Modules section to find Stash Finder. This powerful tool helps you discover hidden stashes and bases across the game world, making your exploration much more efficient. To activate Stash Finder, simply scroll through your module list until you find it. Click the toggle switch to turn it on. Once active, you can customize its settings. For example, you might want to increase the search radius to cover a wider area or specify certain block types to prioritize in your search. Experiment with these options to optimize your results. Once Stash Finder is running, it will begin to highlight suspicious chunks on your minimap or full map. These are areas where the client detects unusual block placements or high densities of valuable materials, suggesting a hidden base or stash. Pay close attention to the displayed coordinates. These will guide you directly to potential discoveries. Remember, patience is key when exploring. For best results, consider combining Stash Finder with other Meteor client modules like X-Ray or Cave Finder. This multi-tool approach can significantly increase your chances of finding valuable hidden areas. Always be prepared for potential traps or other players when approaching a discovered stash. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your clean game, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your space tidy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.